giving birth outside Pumwani Maternity Hospital after being denied entry by a security guard has caused a public outcry, with many condemning the inhumane act. Now, the drama resulted from health workers being on a go-slow following delayed salaries. Zainab Mohammed with the details.
The viral video allegedly recorded on the 13th of September is of a woman struggling with labor pains, surrounded by cries for help amidst her screams. The woman is said to have arrived at the hospital seeking delivery assistance, but was denied entry into the hospital due to a health workers' strike. The woman, burdened with pain, is then said to opt to lay down right outside the gates of the hospital, where she ended up delivering her baby. The video now sparking a public outcry from various stakeholders who have come out to condemn the inhumane act. Officials of the Federation of Women Lawyers Kenya, FIDA, expressing their utter disbelief at the failure of the hospital's management to offer help to the poor mother minutes after the incident began.
It's disturbing to witness the ill treatment of a mother who was evidently in distress outside the biggest maternity public hospital in Nairobi. What excuse is there for a mother to deliver unassisted on the tarmac? Why would the gates of such an important health facility that offers maternity care to thousands of women in this country be locked? Had the woman experienced a complication, wouldn't we have been speaking of a loss of life that could have been avoided?
We all wonder then what happens to the most other counties in this country, the other marginalized and remote counties of our country, if this is happening in the capital, that a mother in this day and age will deliver on a street.
National Assembly Health Committee Chair Sabina Chege has also expressed displeasure over the act, calling on necessary actions to be taken against the hospital and its management.
Major General Badi, tungemuomba kwa heshima apeane explanation na watu wa Pumwani management. Kwa nini yule mama alifika pale? Tunataka kujua hiyo gari ilikuwa ya nani, ile iliweka mama barabara. Na kwa nini watu wanapiga nduru, hata unapata hakuna hata askari ambao wangefungua yule mlango.
Nairobi Metropolitan Services has released a statement of regret, offering an apology to all Kenyans and mothers in particular for the unfortunate incident that came about as a result of the strike by health workers due to the partial shutdown of county services. The message of regret came a day after the video went viral. Never mind, the same message admits that the incident happened 6 days ago. Zainab Mohammed, TV47.
Really